Hello and welcome back to Genssi LED, where we're going to compare the G2 LED bulb in comparison to the Osram Nightbreaker halogen bulb, supposed to be the best on the market, compared to the fancy looking LED bulb here, compared to the four-sided. Does more sides mean better lighting? Let's go ahead and test them. We have a lumen reader here. We're going to go ahead and test every one of them and show you what the results are. Alright, starting out with the halogen. Oh, we should probably turn it on. Turn it on the lumen reader. Halogen bulb, 700 lumens. Alright, next one. Next on the list, the fancy looking LED bulb. Let's go ahead and stick that in here and see what kind of numbers we come out with. 694. That's actually worse than the halogen bulb. Alright, we got the four side. Does four sides mean better? Well, let's look out here and see. You got 1422 or so. Last but not least, the G2 Titan. The smallest out of all the LED bulbs and the closest to the size of a halogen bulb. What do we have? 2,000 lumens. 2,000 lumens.